Hey guys, let's talk about the area of the sector and its composite figure. Alright, so look at this figure right here. Okay, the question asks you to calculate the area of the shaded region. So if you take a look at the shaded region right here, you're gonna see that this is actually composite figure includes the circle right here, um, and the sector right here. And then when you calculate the area of the shaded region, which means you calculate the area of the circle right here and the area of the sector. You add them up, and then you need to be careful. Okay, you just literally add the area of the small sector right here twice. Okay, it's twice because this is the region, overlapping region. So you need to subtract this one. Okay, you need to subtract this one. All right, so I let A1, so let A1 be the area of the circle. Okay, so A1 area of the circle. Now A2, the area of the A2. A2 is the blue one. Okay, A2 is the blue one. So A2 area of the small sector. All right. Now A3, which means the red one right here. A3 area of the big sector. All right, now let's go ahead calculate the error of A1. Okay, so A1 is very straightforward. You just calculate this error using the formula pi r square. Okay, so it's gonna be pi. Now r which means radius, but given diameter right here. Okay, so basically you just take 2.135, you divide by 2, and then you square it. All right, so if you use a calculator, you will see it turned out to be 3.58. Okay, so it's around 3.58, right, square meter. Okay, so I'm done with A1. Now A2. A2 would mean the blue one. So A2 right here. Okay, A2 right here, we need to use the formula right here. Part over whole equal part over whole. Okay, part would mean the area of the small sector right here, the blue one. All right, because the area of the small sector right here, okay, stay inside the area of the circle, so the area of the circle is the whole right here. Okay, so area of the circle I have 3.58, so 3.58 equal, now the one right here, part over whole, this information we haven't used right here, 34.92. This is the measure of the central angle of the small sector right here. Okay, so it could be 34.92. All right, this is the measure of the central angle of the small sector. Now, because this central angle stay inside the circle, so the whole circle, the measure of the whole circle should be 360 degree. So it could be 360 degree. Okay. All right, and then you just cross multiply. All right, so you get A2 right here equal 3.58 times 34.92 divided by 360. Okay, and then you get the answer. Okay, let's use the calculator. So 3.58 times 34.92, 34.92, and then you divide by 360. All right, so it's gonna be 0.35. Okay, 0.35, about 0.35 approximate. Okay, all right, square meter. Now, we're gonna move on to the third one, which means A3. Okay, A3, which means the big sector right here. Okay. Now, again, we use the formula right here. Part over whole equal part over whole. Part which means A3. Now, the whole thing's right here, which means the circle that contain the big sector, which is the one right here. If you draw it, it should be ready. Okay. All right. So you need to calculate the area of this circle. Given the radius right here. Given the radius right here. All right. So it's gonna be pi r square, but r equal 25. So it could be 25 square. All right. Now again, the measure of the angle right here. This is the central angle. This is the central angle of the big sector. Okay. So it should be 34.92, and then the measure of the whole circle right here is 360 degrees. Okay. So divide by 360, and then you have A3 equal. All right, 25 square equals 625. 625 times pi, okay? 625 pi times 34.92 over 360, okay? Equal. Now you hit the calculator. 625 times pi, all right, times 34.92. And then you get this number and you divide by 360. 360. All right, it's around 190. Oh, 190.46. 190.46. All right, finally, the error of the composite figure. Okay, so the error of composite, so the shaded region area. All right, equal A1 plus A3. All right, minus A2, right? Because A2 is the overlapping one, okay? So you subtract A2, okay? Now you hit the calculator. A1 equal this, all right? So you have 3.58 plus A3, 190.46, and then you subtract 0.35. All right, the answer should be one. Wait, 193.69, 193.69 square meter. Okay, and that's it. Hope you enjoy the video. Bye bye.